Hi, I'm Paul. Now, I know you don't know me, but I've had the shocking experience and contacts within the insurance industry to understand why, not the brokers themselves, but the system that they are a part of is screwing you out of every penny possible while padding their corporate pockets. More importantly, if you just take the next 60 seconds and watch this video, I'll show you exactly what you can do to stop them and save your and your family's money right now. And no, don't worry, I promise the solution won't cost you any money and it won't take longer than just a couple minutes. So here's exactly what you need to know to protect your hard-earned money. When you first contact an insurance broker, they immediately turn you from a person into a number and start digging through your private history with everything from your credit to your past insurance to find out how much you've been willing to pay in the past and then come up with an estimate of how much they can get you to overpay that you'll likely tolerate. So it's not a matter of if they are screwing you over, but how badly. Now, I promise I keep this short. So fortunately, even though this is a bad situation, there's an extremely simple solution to beat them at their own game, and it's called an insurance quote portal. Now, what it does is gets them to instantaneously bid against each other in a competition to earn your business. They engage in a race to the bottom to get you the best coverage and price so you get the best bang for your buck, getting better rates and coverage, and they make less money. Now, of course, they don't want you to know about this. And the insurance portal tool we're going to share with you is typically a back-end tool only used by those in the industry. We were sick of how badly they've been screwing over everyday, hardworking people just like yourself. So very recently, we have worked hard and found a loophole in the system so that we're able to share this and make this available to you and everyone else. And the best part is, getting a quote through the system costs you exactly $0. Oh, and this should only take a couple minutes of your time. So you likely don't even have to switch companies or brokers. You can actually keep your policy and more of your money. So that means you get all of the benefits with virtually no hassle. Sound good? Great. Now, a quick favor to ask. Obviously, they don't want us sharing this with you. So we can't say how long we'll be able to keep this available. So please take advantage of this free tool right away to get your quote before it's gone and share it with your friends and family. Now, to access this insurance quote portal and find out just how much you can save, simply click the little link below this video right now and you'll receive full access to your free quote. So thanks for watching. Go ahead and click the link and you have a great day.